Hey, what's up everybody? Chris McManamy here. Thank you so much for coming over and checking out my YouTube channel right here. And so on this channel, the goal is basically make money online, right? That's what we're all about, right? We're coming here, we're trying to find answers to make money online. And so on this channel, what you're gonna find are tips, tricks, tools, maybe a little bit of strategy, a little advice, a little something for everybody depending on where you are in your make money online journey. Now the focus right now is going to be affiliate marketing. And the $1 million question I see all the time. I was even in a Facebook group this morning and looking, and a lot of people were stuck, a lot of people were confused, questioning this, that, and the other thing. So today the focus is, what is affiliate marketing? Simple enough, right? You think you have an idea of what it is, and then you hear all these different explanations and everything like that. And I've been at this for the past year. So throughout 2021, I have spent in the affiliate marketing space. And so you hear a lot of people say, oh, it's the idea of taking a product or service, promoting it, getting a commission. That's true. That is 1,000% true. And now before I give you what I feel the proper meaning of affiliate marketing, make sure you hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell notification as well. It's probably somewhere below you or wherever it is on your device, whatever device you're on. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so that way you get notified of future videos and you don't miss out on anything in a good way. Because there is that FOMO thing, but in this case, now we're just gonna get right to it. Affiliate marketing is taking a problem, so somebody with a problem or a dilemma, and being a bridge to a solution to that problem, okay? Stay with me here. So we got problem, solution, middleman. That's it. And you just happen to be in a situation, in a fortunate position, to where that referral will reward you with a little percentage of money back in your pocket. So that's really what it is. I did a YouTube short about this a couple of days ago. So the best way I can think of it, aside from that, like a real world scenario, well, of course, affiliate market is the real world, but for whatever reason, people have this mental block about affiliate marketing. So think of it like, for perfect example, okay, you finance a car or a house, okay? Car. We'll stick with the car because this just happened to me. Oh man, B-roll footage. We're just gonna keep rolling. No edits. And so you go buy a car, right? You go through. You have a great experience. You know exactly what you're looking for. You may not see. You're shopping around a little bit. Like, okay, I like this. And then you test drive one, and you're like, oh yeah, that one's it. This car over there is fine, but this car over here is excellent. You work with the salesman. You get your financing, you sign your paperwork. Overall, it is a great experience. Now, whether it takes 1 day, 3 days, a week, in my case, with some extenuating circumstances, took a month. I actually was able to finance and purchase the car that best suited me, and I loved it. Took it for a test drive. I was like, oh my gosh. That's another conversation. That's a conversation for another time. But yeah, so you get your car, you drive it, you love it. You're like, oh man, this is a great experience. And then something happens. You get either an email because you filled out, contact information, or they send you something in the mail. It's like, hey, we got this referral program. We're so pleased that you had a great experience with us. Here is a referral program. We'll give you $500 cash for if you refer a friend or somebody to come in and buy a car from us, they buy, you get $500. And so your friend Joe or whatever, or John, goes to the same dealership. They're like, hey, Chris referred me here. He had a great experience, told me all about how wonderful the service was. I want to buy a car from here. What do you got? And then they leave happy. And then, maybe the referral program continues down the chain, but that's them. That has no effect on me. I was able to help out a friend or somebody that needed a car and connected them to this dealership that had great cars, great customer service, very polite, not pushy. The whole gamut, the whole deal, start to finish, was excellent. And then when they bought the car, the dealership gives you $500 cash. That's it. That's affiliate marketing. That's it. You have somebody with a problem or a need, and then you find a solution, and you're the bridge, you're the middleman to connect that person with the problem to a solution. That's really it. There is no big secret or mystery like, how do I make this work? Granted, for me, I would say it's a little bit easier because I have been in I spent probably 6.5 years in the IT consulting space. And so I was able, and it's a little bit different, but I was able to get in front of small businesses and figure out their IT problems, resolve their IT problems, and then come to us and say, hey, I recommend you do this. The company sells this product. I can put it in for you. I can install it. It's not like Dell or HP or somebody else was actually doing these. So they relied on consultants and technicians and sysadmins and whatever the case may be to actually solve the problem. Problem, solution, middleman. That's it. So I figured those were some pretty good real world examples of what affiliate marketing truly is. Hopefully that makes a little more sense, because in the last video, I wanted to make sure you identified why you're doing it, what's your purpose, knowing, where your people hang out. And then once you understand that, your why needs to be strong enough. Absolutely. And then now you understand, hey, what is affiliate marketing? So that affiliate marketing is just one piece, but for beginners, it is the easiest piece. It is probably the easiest piece, but also the most overcomplicated piece, if that makes any sense. So hopefully that cleared things up a little bit. I am going to make sure to put a link down below if you actually want to learn more on affiliate marketing or being able to make money online. It's basically like take whatever you're offering, insert here, and it is a 3-day challenge. It is an excellent, it is an excellent 3-day program. I highly recommend it. I went through it myself, and I will link that down below. So with that being said, thank you guys for tuning in. As you can see, I'm rocking the 8-Bit Mario this is my holiday shirt here. So it is Christmas time at the time of recording. So if you're catching this now, hopefully you have a Merry Christmas. And if you're catching this later, depending on what time of the year it is, doesn't matter. I still wish you all the best. I will be here. I will always be here. Hopefully this clarifies the concept of affiliate marketing, other than just, hey, promote a product to a person with the link, get a commission. It's a little bit more than that. So to sum that, I just wanted to sum that all up. Problem, solution, bridge, right there. You connect the two. You are a connector, and that's really it. And so future videos, the plan is we're going to do maybe a little bit more technical deep dives, get into some other concepts, like I said, tips, tricks, tools, strategies. But hopefully this right here clears up any misunderstanding, because that is my understanding of how affiliate marketing really works and what it is. So with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Wishing you all the best. Chris.